Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in the Jaguar XJ key fob. So what you want to do is locate this little triangle on the side of the fob there. You push that in and the clamshell opens up. Now on this side of the fob, you're going to see the instructions there how to pull out the, you can either remove the key here, or this side is where the battery is going to be placed. Now this is a CR2032 battery, so I'm just going to replace this one with this one. It's important to have this side facing down so you can match the plus with the plus on the battery itself, and then that's going to go in upside down so it fits into that slot in there, because you can see that's shaped. So that's going to go in like so, and then you're going to seal that up and your key fob is good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next video. And if you like cars, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Ciao.